Hey peeps, what's up? I'm on lunch break right now. I'm about to video this crazy boy gliding on his skate. Where are you going? Come show me some tricks. Show me some tricks. Yeah.
I don't know if I got it nailed down yet. Hold up.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how you do swerving?
Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to skid,
Oh.
but I can't really do it yet because I don't got my gloves.
Oh.
I just ordered.
So why you to get low and you just glide like? And then you hold it.
It's glove on it. So
Oh.
when you put your hand on the concrete,
Oh, okay. It doesn't.
you don't
Cut
tear
you.
your hands up. It slides, and you're able.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Give them some trick for the camera. Right. Same one that you're doing, going around and sliding. There he goes. No. Trust me, if I go on that, I'll definitely die. Go on there. Let me. Hold it like that, maybe. Alright. If I die on this.
Yeah, it's backwards. It's backwards.
It's backwards.
Yeah, let's not go by the water. I don't want you.
Yeah, I don't want to die. This is not too bad. There you flip it.
Yeah, flick it harder. Flick it harder.
I need practice on this, trust me. Oh my god. Look how the man make it look easy. It's so easy, Ajay. Oh my god. I'll be like that soon. I'm going to get a board and try. Oh yeah. Oh.